Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to reset your OnlyFans password. So just tap on my browser where I logged in. So from here I will move in my profile icon, which is right bottom corner. So just tap on settings of the third one. So here you will see the option is account. So just tap on account. So a little bit scroll down, you will see the option is password. So just simple tap on password, and if you want to change your password, just type the new password and again confirm a new password, and just tap on this right corner save button. So once you will click to save button, your password will be changed. It is very easy and simple to change the password on OnlyFans page. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.